Welcome back to Rocky Knob Farm and our YouTube channel. Well, it's time to load the hogs. Sometimes they can be a pain to load, but with Tyler and Tanner's help, it went pretty smooth and we got them loaded in about 45 minutes. Busy harvest season, we're a little bit behind on getting them butchered, but they're all pretty good size. These hogs all dressed out around 300, so they're all pretty good size. And the equipment shed that we bought back in August, we finally had time to throw it up and get it finished up. It turned out really nice. And we finished cleaning out the high tunnel, got it all ready for winter. We went through and plowed it and then went back and planted some cover crop. We planted some red clover. And here we're adding compost to try to build the nutrients back up into the soil. And here's Tanner spreading some red clover. And that's going to wrap this video up. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.